Hello friends, today I just want to show you guys a before and after of cleaning the bathroom. When you come into my bathroom, it looks clean on the surface. You're like, oh, okay, not bad. And then you start looking beneath the surface and you start moving things and you start seeing things that needs to be cleaned. So don't judge. This is not a judging video. This is a motivational video so that everyone that may work like me more than 40 hours a week and have a very busy schedule can be motivated to just take some time out and let's get it done. Let's clean, you guys. When you look real close, you see some things that's not desirable. You say, oh my God, no, I don't want to live like this. Sometimes when you just look up and you see that you just need to take some time and really pay attention to your life. So don't judge. But I am about to clean the stank out of this bathroom. And you know what, you guys? When you're cleaning, believe it or not, it's kind of therapeutic. So as you can see, I have some things that need to be moved so I can get down to basics. And when you look at everything, some things needs to be dusted. And so let's look at my products. These are the things that I use. Of course, you need your gloves, industrial vinyl gloves. You can't clean without Clorox. Bleach is everything. Pine Sol is not only for cleaning, but it also makes the house smell so good. Dawn dishwashing liquid, it cuts grease. And then I top it off with my just Clorox cleaning. My cleaner, I have to have my spray. So let's start. I'm using a little Clorox, a little Pine Sol, and I am going to use my Dawn dishwashing liquid. And I use that Dawn dishwashing liquid very sparingly because it will just make so many bubbles, and we don't want anything like that. So let's remove everything and let's really get some deep cleaning going on here, guys. How was your week? So in this little bucket, I got that idea from my dear cousin and Sonia from Alabama. She puts her wash towels in something like that. But I don't put my wash towels in those. I just use those are everyday rags. So I'm just cleaning. I gotta get all the soap out of the soap dish. I gotta move some things. Those are my titanium curlers. Thank you, Megan, my daughter. She made sure I had those. Let's clean, you guys. Let's get this cleaner going. Let's bleach it out, y'all. It makes you feel so good when everything is clean and tidy. And it's like you can just get a moment. Very therapeutic, everyone. How do you schedule your cleaning time? In the comments below, just let me know. When do you clean? This is my Saturday morning routine. Now we can look and see where I keep all of my washcloths. I could keep some in my bedroom in a drawer. And if I have company, I keep them new washcloths right in here, not used. I get my washcloths from various places, but mostly Target and Marshalls. So you know what we got to do now? We have to clean the toilet. Yes, because it's just the two of us here, but my husband's here quite often, and I'm always out. I'm working 50, 60 hours a week. And then I have my band rehearsals. And I have my caterings. And it's just hard to keep up. But every Saturday, you better believe that I'm cleaning this bathroom. I clean the bathroom actually every 2 days, but that's just surface cleaning, and that's making sure that I'm not going to get a disease. So I have to clean this toilet every day, if not every day, every other day, but every morning I have a little routine with that toilet. How do you guys clean? Do you have a toilet that you clean every day, or do you just do a once a week cleaning? That's that toilet brush. That toilet brush needs to be cleaned, so I cleaned inside and out. Look at that shine, you guys. Shine, shine, shine. So now when you look at this, you see all those little hair, and you know, everyone combs their hair. So now I had to clean that. Now you see that garbage disposal shining and the floor shining somewhat. But I'm going to have to get down on my hands and knees and clean the bathroom floor. You can see a little shine going on, but let's look at these fingerprints. These fingerprints that are on the drawers. You just really don't notice things like that when you're just living day by day and you're just trying to come home and get some sleep after a hard day's work. Band rehearsal, singing engagements. So we're just really gonna clean. You know, one thing about white, it will show up, won't it? White will show up. So it's going to take me a little bit to get this clean. And you guys, I'm not going to even show you what's in those drawers. Maybe next time. I need to get those organized too. I try to organize my drawers every 3 months. What's your drawer organization schedule? So these are some products that I use. Oil of Olay. Those are my toothbrushes, and my Vera Wang is all gone, just about. Then I use something for my breath called Amazing Breath. You guys, it's from Amazon. It is very good. There's some of the information on the bottle. Comment below and tell me what is your tooth or teeth routine. So now it's time to get all this stuff off. Oh yeah, that's my charcoal for whitening my teeth. I'm gonna get all of this stuff off so that we can clean properly. Oh, look what I found. My weave needle. Oh, I was looking for that. I needed to sew my cap on. So we're gonna use the Clorox cleaner and really get in there and clean off my shells and all around. And this is the finishing product. I love it. I love it. I put some Pine Sol on there as well, you guys, and it smells good. So we're about to get into this bathtub, ladies and gentlemen. Ugh. You see all those? It's not sparkling, but it will be in a minute. The soap dish has soap all on. I mean, you know, this is just living, ladies. As we live, look at that, all in the grout. Ugh. Don't judge. What I'm getting is my trusty Clorox bleach. And we're gonna bleach this to death. I'm spraying half the bottle on Do not judge, do not judge, do not judge. And I'm doing a very thorough deep cleaning. I hope everyone had a great week and a productive weekend. Tomorrow is going to be the last of it. Tell me some things that you bought for Black Friday if you went out shopping. Oh, next to this wash basin, it always gets hair all around in this area. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do. I'm using my trusty Clorox bleach cleaner. Let's get this clean, you guys. Because the week is coming up and I want everything clean before Monday. Looking better now. Don't you just love it? Smells good. Oh, what do we have here? Some more Clorox and some Pine Sol. Those are the two basic things. Uh-oh, I'm about to get down and dirty. You know, it's such a small space. I'm not going to get a mop and mop my floor. I'm going to hand mop my floor. So now this is the finishing product. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me clean, and I hope it motivates you to get up and just get some music going and let's clean, you guys. Let's get our house clean, and it helps elevate our minds, and so we won't have so much on it. One thing down, 50 things to go. I have everything nice and organized now. You see that shine, you guys? Shine, shine. No ring. Shining. Let's look in this tub. Let's see what we did here. Oh, no more soap in the soap dish. Chrome and shining. Let's go see what we did on the other side. Let's see if the knobs are cleaning or clean and sparkling. Sparkle, 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 sparkle. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mom, for teaching me how to clean. If my house isn't clean, it's not because I don't know how to. Because when I get down with it, I can get down. I just don't have the time, you guys. I just would like for you guys in the comments below to tell me, how do you schedule your time to clean? So now my basin is white, just like when it came. Don't you just love it? And then you have to add your little candle so you can have illumination. Let's just take a quick look. Let's make sure that I got everything, because I just want to lay down. I just want to lay down. I'm tired now. There's a lot of cleaning. Oh, sparkle, sparkle. Shine, shine. Okay. You did that, Yolanda. Go, yo-yo. Go, yo-yo. Go, yo-yo. You can clean. You can clean, girl. You can clean, girl. Let's just take a quick look before I turn the light off and go to my next project. I hope you guys so enjoyed this motivational clean with me. Next time we're going to clean something else, talk about something else, anything. Once again, welcome to the Yo-Yo Diet Show. Have a great day.